Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My dear friends, I am Muhammad Zillur Rahman Talukdar. I welcome all of you on behalf of our YouTube channel. Today, I am going to discuss about how to deliver a speech on any topic. So, many students have asked me about what is the process or what are the steps that we can follow to deliver a speech on any topic in front of audience. So the first and foremost thing we should remember to deliver a speech on any topic is we should know how to form questions in our mind about anything. Like if I take an example, like maybe someone has given me the topic to speak about this marker pen. Okay, so how we can deliver a speech in front of audience? So the first step, we should know the name of the thing that we are talking about. If it is a thing, if it is a person, if it is an animal, if it is a place. So depending on the topic that we are talking about, we should learn some words. Okay, so like if I am talking about this marker, so I should construct some questions in my mind about this marker pen. So what is the name of the company that has manufactured this marker pen? So I can start about the quality of this marker pen. My dear friends, it is not a very difficult task to speak on any given topic. Asking question as many as you can on the topic helps you to answer those questions, and answering those questions that come to your mind is called delivering a speech. Okay, so how we can answer those questions? Like how many questions you can ask on this marker? Like what is the name of the marker? Okay, then you can ask what is the name of the company that has make this marker pen? What is the color of this marker pen? How many colors are available? What is the price of this marker pen? Okay, so what is the wholesale price of this marker pen? What is the retail price of this pen? Okay, there are so many questions you can ask. What are the things that are used to make this marker pen? Is it biodegradable or it is non-biodegradable? Okay, so we can talk about the location. So as many questions as you ask on a particular topic, the answers will come to your mind and you will answer those questions to your audience. Sometimes you can ask your audience to make the interaction more interesting. Okay, so this helps you a lot to deliver a speech on any given topic. So hopefully I have explained what is the most important point to deliver a speech on a specific topic. So my dear friends, it is very easy for anyone who knows some words related to his topic or her topic, and you should just have to ask some question in your mind, then form some answers and then start speaking on this topic. So many students become blank while someone call them on stage, and standing in front of the microphone their brain become blank even though they know so many things about their topic, but after returning from the stage everything suddenly comes into their mind, and they become very sad. So to avoid feeling nervous. You should practice is everything. You should practice a lot. Like you should always try to speak whenever you get chance, and one day will come when you will never feel nervous when you are speaking on a specific topic in front of audience. So my dear friends, I thank you all again for listening to me with care and affection. Assalamu alaikum.